right? See, here's what I want you guys to understand. Everybody can be great because anybody can serve. I want you guys to understand this, right? For me, I used to be a type of person that was super hard-headed. Whenever somebody was trying to tell me something was going to better my life, I was more focused on, I ain't listening to you, bro. You got me twisted. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to run my life. It's my life. I do what I want to do. But what I realized, y'all, is that the more I was able to humble myself and learn from great individuals, it put me in a position to be out here and go and change people's lives. And so any one of y'all can be great because everybody can serve. And let me say this to you too. Just because you're not seen does not mean you're not important. I'm going to say it one more time. Just because you're not seen does not mean you're not important. And so yes, although I travel the country and although you guys may see videos of me speaking, here's the true fact of the matter, y'all. You won't see me if there's no videographer. You won't see me if they don't record the speech. So the level of your service determines the level of your success. And so I had to understand, the more I humble myself and the more I learn, the more effective I become and the more effective I can change my kids' life to make sure that they don't ever have to work a day in their life if they choose to, because I made the right decision. So although, yes, this is MLK Day, this is also about you. This is also about your dream, your goal, your aspiration. If you want to be the best TikTok dancer, then walk and step, slide to the right, and get yourself right? Or the other one, we getting messed up tonight. However you do it, right? I promise you, right? I promise you, y'all. If you are going to go viral in doing something, go viral in being the best version of yourself. Because I promise you, if Dr. King was here today, all his videos would be viral. He'll probably make up his own dance. I have a dream. Ooh, I have a dream. And everybody be doing it. It'll go viral, right? So I want you guys to get to the point to understand that anybody in this room, anybody in this state could be great because everybody has the opportunity to serve. Next.